Hey guys, by the way guys, this is gonna be a cold start on the R8. So this will be kind of like our before and after stuff. Hey guys, what's going on? Joker88 here. Man, today's gonna be a super busy day because today we gotta take the R8 in and we're gonna get the aftermarket exhaust on it so it'll be louder. And also on top of that, after that, we're gonna have to take the Cayenne. The Cayenne needs to get wrapped. So as you can see, a lot of the paint, the clear coat is coming off, right? You can see the clear coat coming off of there. So instead of getting it repainted, I mean, look at this. Instead of getting it repainted, man, it's a waste. We'll just go ahead and wrap it so we can even wrap it in the color that we like, right? So let's get busy. Well, we're here at Motorwerks in Costa Mesa, and these guys are going to be installing the exhaust for us. Where's the exhaust?
It's over here.
Check it out. There they are in pieces, man. Sweet.
It's gonna be open and loud.
So there's Chris. This is gonna be a ride for today while he puts the exhaust on our R8, and he's nice enough actually to work on Mercedes, and he's nice enough to help us out and install the exhaust here, and he's even nice enough to lend me a car to get back home. So if you guys need any work done on your Mercedes, man, Star Motorworks, ask for Chris. Alright guys, well, Chris called me up and he says, hey, your R8 is ready. So, let's go. fumes. We're almost there. Alright guys, we made it here. We are here at Motorwerks, and like I said, I was running on fumes, but we're here to pick up my baby. Not my wife, my car. No, not that Merc. But we're picking up my Audi R8 with the new exhaust on it. Hear it. That's loud. That's insane. Wow. Yeah, that was definitely crazy. Wow. That's loud.
It's loud. But you know what's funny is you'll know this when you're driving down the street, it's actually a lot. It's pretty mellow.
Oh, good.
It's cool. Not horrific to be in. It doesn't resonate crazy throughout it.
That's what Shardul said.
Yeah, this is how big it is.
Wow.
And I wasn't sure about the vacuum ports on the other one, so I did plug them off.
Okay.
I just put little caps on them, so it wouldn't have any type of vacuum leak or anything. I don't think it would anyways, but just to verify.
Okay.
And I have a little...
how does this hook up?
With a V-band clamp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this directly to the headers.
Yeah.
And that's how that is.
Cool. Alright, man, so we're in the R8, and you guys just heard that. That is insane. I want to give a shout out to Motorwerks and Chris. He's the owner. Man, I mean, and his guy that did this work, I got an awesome deal, and I want to thank Shardul. Thank you for hooking me up with Chris. So I want to give a shout out again to these guys, Motorwerks. If you guys have any Mercedes issues, and if you're in the SoCal area, man, check them out, man. Check them out. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, so now we're heading home. Man, now that exhaust changed this car into a friggin' fire-breathing dragon. It's insane how loud it is, and let's see, it's not too bad driving on the freeway. Let's see, we're going 74 miles an hour. It's not too bad in here, right? In the 7th gear. But you can definitely feel that the car is more alive. You saw that stock exhaust, how huge it is. I mean, this car's lost so much weight, so he kind of went on a little diet, so that's kind of cool. And really excited about it. So we'll see how it goes. You know, kind of just worried when you're kind of cruising by cops, because it is pretty loud. It is pretty loud. So yeah, I can't be any happier with this. So man, again, I want to thank Shardul for hooking me up with the exhaust, and also for hooking me up with Chris at Motorwerks. They work on Mercedes out here in Costa Mesa, SoCal. So if you guys have any Mercedes issues, man, hit them up, tell them that Joe sent you, and they'll take care of you. Let's see if we get downcheck here. Still need another ticket, man. Remember the ticket I got with the Lambo? Yeah, I'm still paying for it. Still paying for it. I was totally hoping that Highway Patrol will pull me over if we just sit there and dude, alright, I'll give you tickets so you can go to a traffic school. He didn't even cut me a break. So, oh well, it's my fault. My fault. He was doing his job. So,